Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button here to subscribe for free. Yes, I have another beautiful model today. I'm making this one upon a follower's request. It's actually very simple. Now, I'm starting by drawing a chain. It will be a light, summery piece. I have some cotton yarn here, the kind sold by weight. I'm crocheting this with a 2.5mm hook. It can also be done with a thinner hook. Let's start with the foundation chain right away. You can pull chains in multiples of 8. I'll pull a short chain now to try and show you. Yes, I've pulled a certain amount of chain now. After the last chain, of course, you pull the chain to the length of whatever you want to make. Whatever you want to make. You can pull a bit extra too. After the last chain, I'm pulling 4 more chains. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the 6th chain. I'm going in and making 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain, go into the next chain. Again, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, go to the next one. This way, until the end of the row. We first make a mesh, cage. Skip 1 chain from below, insert into the next. 1, 2. The second. We will start with 2 rows of mesh. Now, until the end of the row. Let's come this way. Yes, I finished the mesh to the end of the chain, look here. Now, for the chain. I mentioned the multiples, but it would be good if you calculate it like this. The number of boxes should be in multiples of 4. So, pull the chain a bit extra. When you make these boxes, we need to have a total count. That is a multiple of 4. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. For example, I'm trying to show simply 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the end, we need 1, 2, 3. 4 boxes. Yes, now from here again. I'm pulling 4 chains. 4 chains. Turn it over and we insert into every double crochet. Make 1 double crochet. I'm making the stitches as double crochets. Chain 1, again into each. Double crochet. Make 1 double crochet. Until the end of the row. We continue this way. Let's reach the end of the row now. Yes, I've reached the end of the row. See, I'm pulling 1 chain again. Leaving 1 chain space, we go into the chain. And make 1 double crochet. Now we have formed 2 rows of mesh. Let's pull 4 chains. Turn it over. Yarn over once. Look, I'm counting from the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the 3rd double crochet. I'm making 1 treble crochet. Like this. Now we pull 3 chains. Yarn over once. Into the space. Right behind this stitch we made. We make 4 double crochets. Counting the chain. It will be a total of 5. Yes, we pull 1 chain. Again. Yarn over once. Now I skip 1 double crochet. And go into the next double crochet. 1 double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3. Over 4 boxes. We have set it up this way. Now we pull 1 chain. yarn over once. We can count from this stitch we inserted. Or let's count like this: 1, 2, look. 1, 2. I'm inserting here. 1 treble crochet. 3 chains. Now, by inserting into the space behind the stitch we just made, again. For double crochets. Double crochet. 3, 3. 4, again, 5 with the chain. 1 chain. Yarn over once. 1, 2. On top of the second double crochet. 1 double crochet. So 1. When you think of it as a pattern, it corresponds to the 4 boxes below. That's why the number of boxes in the first row is important. Now again, 1 chain, yarn over once. From the next one, 1, 2. We come to the second one, and here a treble. Crochet. Pull 3 chains again. Into the space below, 1. 3, and 4. Again, 1 chain, yarn over once. 1, 2, here. 1 double crochet. 1 chain. We continue like this until the end of the row. Again, 1, 2. 1 treble crochet here. 3 chains. I go right behind it. And 4. 1 chain. We say 1, 2. 1 double crochet here. 1 chain. 1, 2. 1 treble crochet. 3 chains. Again, we make 4 double crochets. One chain again. 1, 2. 1 double crochet here. 1 chain. Now we've reached the end. Look, 4 boxes should be left at the end. Here, we say 1, 2, here. We finish in 3 steps, treble. I'm pulling 3 chains. Again, 4. One chain. Now, we think of this as 1, 2. Entering into the chain. 1 double crochet, yes. We completed it like this. Now, I'm pulling 6 chains and turning back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Turn it over. We had pulled 3 chains here. Right at those peak points, like this. Insert and make 1 single crochet. 3 chains. On top of the double crochet in between. 1 double crochet. Again, 3 chains. Sorry, we don't yarn over here. Of these fillings, if we were to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say the 5th. In the previous row, we had come up with 3 chains. Right at the top of that 3rd chain, at the pointy tip. 1 single crochet, 3 chains. On top of the double crochet in between. Again 1 double crochet. Yes, until the end of the row. We go. Again, 3 chains. 1 double crochet here. 3 chains. 1 single crochet here. 3 chains. 1 double crochet. 3 chains again. 1 single crochet. 3 chains. 1 double crochet. Again 3 chains. 1 single crochet here. We pull 3 chains again. Now here. 1, 2. By inserting into the second chain. 1 double crochet. Yes, this part is like this. Now we will make 2 rows of mesh on top again. We pull 4 chains. 3, 4 chains. Now, right into this 3 chain space. Make 1 double crochet. We formed the first box like this. Chain 1. We insert right on top of the single crochet here. We made the second. So, over this section, there should be 4 boxes. Meaning, over this square. Just like the ones below. We need to have 4 boxes. Chain 1, insert into the space. 1 double crochet, chain 1. Insert into the top of the double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet. This way, we've made 4. The next ones will continue the same way. Now, chain 1. 1 into the space. Chain 1, 1 on top of the single crochet. Chain 1, again into the space. Chain 1, and on top of the double crochet. Yes, chain 1. Into the space. Chain 1. On top of the single crochet. Chain 1, again to the space. Chain 1, and again on top of the double crochet. Yes, let's come to the end of the row now. Yes, now I've reached the end. Look, at the end we make 1 more, 1, 2, 3. We also make 1 by inserting into the chain. By skipping 1 chain and inserting into the second chain. I'm completing the last box. Now, from here, 4 chains again. The model consists of this, actually, friends. We make 2 rows of boxes, then 2 rows of this pattern. I pulled 4 chains. Making 1 double crochet on each double crochet. We progress until the end of the row. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1. 1 double crochet. Second row of boxes are like this. Again, until the end of the row. Let's come now. Yes, look, the second. On top of this, again. We will repeat the same pattern. From here I'm pulling 4 chains again. Turn it over. In the same way, yarn over once, 1, 2. Counting from the next one. I'm making 1 treble crochet here. 3 chains. Inserting into the space behind this stitch we made. 4. 1 chain. Double crochet, again 1 double crochet. Again, 1 chain, yarn over once. 1, 2. I'm coming to the second one. 1 treble crochet. 3 chains. Right behind it, again 4. Double crochets. We pull 1 chain. 1, 2. We say, and 1. Double crochet here. Again, we have set it up over 4 boxes. It continues like this, friends. Now, I'm explaining the same thing, doing what I did there. 2 boxes on top of this again. Then the pattern on top of that. I think very beautiful shawls and blouses can be made. I hope you liked it. Of course, I'll crochet 2 more rows and show it to you now. Yes, I've completed this part too. Look friends, I've made 2 more rows of mesh this way. Now you set up the same pattern on top of this. It continues in this manner. Yes, these. If we accept the direction we made them as the front side, it looks better. Yes, I hope you liked it. Hope to see you in even more beautiful models. If you liked my video, please don't forget to press the like button. See you later, goodbye.